Is there anything better than just a classic, warm, delicious apple crisp? Well, this is one of my favorite desserts, and it is stop 27 on my 50 video series making all the state desserts in America. This being a state that produces a lot of apples, there's a hint for you. Let me know in the comments what state you think this could be the state dessert for. The recipe is in the description if you would like to make this at home. And before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can join me every week for new recipes. I'm using Fuji apples, 4 of them that have peeled, cored, and thinly sliced. Now to the same bowl, we've got granulated sugar, some flour that just helps keep it thick and gooey, and then we've got cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves, along with the zest of 1 lemon. That's really all it takes. We're just going to toss this to coat the apples and everything and set aside so we can move on to the topping, which is just softened butter with some brown sugar that we mix together. We add in flour and oats, and then we mix it together until it's thick and crumbly like this. And now we're going to take an 8x8 inch dish. I've just greased it with some cooking spray. You can use butter if you want. Pile in those apples with all that gorgeous flavoring, then crumble all of the topping all over it. Bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 40 minutes or until the apples are bubbly. You'll smell them all throughout the house. It's great. That topping will be crisp. It's delicious. Now, I'm a big fan of simple, classic desserts. It's apples, spices, some sugar, crumble topping, that's it. Of course, vanilla ice cream would be a match made in heaven with this. I didn't have any, so oh well, but I will say it is fantastic on its own. You can make it year-round, although it's particularly great in the fall and winter, obviously, but still, it's one of those things that I always enjoy. And I could eat so much of this. It is so good. Lovely warmth from the cloves, the nutmeg and cinnamon, you can really taste them. The lemon adds just a touch of brightness. That crumble topping is nice and crisp. Definitely a knockout dessert that is perfect comfort food, great for a party, or easy enough to make throughout the week if you just want something nice at home. And if you guessed in the comments, this is the state dessert, according to me, for Washington. Once again, full recipe is in the description, so make sure you go check that out. And also make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.